And is joining us from Chandigarh to get us a sense of how voting has picked up. Akansha, coming to you first. You're there in the Union Territory of Chandigarh. Get us a sense of how has been the voter turnout so far since morning.
Somewhere around 6.5 lakh voters from Chandigarh are going to be deciding the fate of 19 candidates who are in the fray this time. And when we came to the polling booth, so the officials were telling that the people were queuing up right from 6:15 a.m. in the morning, and in the morning we saw that there was a good turnout of voters, and till now also we can see that there are many voters who are coming because it is very hot these days, so people are choosing to vote in the mornings more. And if we talk about all the arrangements, keeping in view the heat wave, the district administration has done all the appropriate arrangements to keep people away from the heat. And there are 55 model booths which have been set up, and yes, there are some of the booths which are being set up according to the architectural heritage of Chandigarh, like Rock Garden, the roundabouts. So there are some of the booths which are just specially there for the women, for the young voters, and for the disabled.
All right, Akansha. So, impressive voter turnout has been witnessed since morning. I'll take that forward to Deepika, who's joining us from Varanasi. Deepika, how has been the turnout of the voters in Varanasi? Get us the latest on the voter percentage so far, the voter turnout.
Preeti, in Varanasi, when we talk about the voter turnout percentage, it is 12.66% as of 9 a.m. and we will get the next update on 11:30 a.m. But right now, considering the scorching heat, the sun is again very hard, and here the voter turnout is now, the voters are slowly coming in to cast their vote. However, still I would request my camera person to show you the visuals of inside the polling booth, because considering the heat, there are many arrangements which have been made continuously. You can see the visuals inside there. There's a long line inside, and all the voters are there who are queuing up to cast their vote. And apart from that, not only the booths are decorated, but there are special arrangements which have been made, like the water dispensers are there, and also for the police officials, they are providing ORS sachets, water bottles, so that no exigency takes place here across all the polling stations. If we talk about, there are more than 3,000 polling stations in Varanasi, out of which 7 are meant for youth, 7 are meant only women-led booths, and apart from that, there are 19 lakh voters, out of which 3,600 are first-time voters. So considering the importance of it, the request from the government side is also on a continuous basis. There was a morning tweet also which we saw by Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging all the voters to come out and exercise their right, and we can see a continuous influx of all the voters. We can see right now also many voters are still coming in. There's a long line inside. We cannot go inside because there is a protocol, security protocol, that we also have to follow. But considering the voting percentage right now, which is 12.99%, this will increase by the next update, which will come at 11:30 a.m. And I think after that it will slow down because of the scorching sun, and then there would be a greater influx from 4 p.m. onwards, Preeti.
All right. So, more or less impressive turnout has been witnessed there in Chandigarh and in Varanasi as well. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining in with those details and the latest update. And Varanasi, talking of Varanasi,